Slime Bob, you know? Slimes live under the sea. Why does he wear square pants? If I put on round pants, I'd be a ledge, too. Slime Bob round pants! Sounds cool, huh? Susie, over.
Sorry, I've been distracted. We're shooting a new craft soon, but I have no ideas for it.
Well, I do. You should have listened to me. Check this out.
Yoo-hoo! Are you ready, kids?
Not yet, Captain! Susie, help me bring the other stuff over here.
Hi, guys. Sammy was a bit sulky about SpongeBob, but he can't resist his charms either.
Watercolor paper? Are we gonna draw a sea landscape?
You're close. We're gonna make a Lightbox with SpongeBob characters inside. Do you know who's gonna be the first one? Let's check your sixth sense.
That was the easiest one. Try to guess my character.
I bet on Squidward or Patrick. Bingo!
Okay, that was easy. But I still have a place for another character on my paper sheet.
SpongeBob lives with a pet sea snail, Gary. Let's draw him on this paper sheet as well.
Perfect. I'm drawing my favorite characters here.
Why don't we finish our drawings and then show them to each other? Here we go.
Whoa.
You've even drawn Plankton. He and Patrick got along eventually. We have 2 finished layers of drawings. Let's make some cuts. Cut, cut, cut.
Sounds creepy. But don't worry, she's just shaping the paper figures.
Afterwards, we'll combine all the layers with the characters to get a 3D picture.
Let's add 2 more characters. The SpongeBob universe is empty without them. What is this? Paper rain? Susie, make it stop!
Oops, sorry. I was too preoccupied with my cutting. Guys, check out all our beloved characters grouped together.
But some of the main characters are missing. Call a search squad.
The first member of the squad is here. Let's find our SpongeBob SquarePants.
Holy cannoli, he's appearing. Hello, my underwater rival.
Don't pick fights here. Go color Sandy Cheeks.
Hi there, Sandy. Oopsie, wait a sec. I have to go get one thing.
Here are the iconic SquarePants. Guys, would you like to have these too?
Give us a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe if you support Slime Sam Round Pants.
Sammy, why do you need this suit?
It's my artistic trick to draw lights and shadows on Sandy's suit.
Cool idea. Guys, we've almost finished coloring. Keep going. Last but not least, our grumpy neighbor, Squidward. Guys, do you like squids? Or just Squidward, maybe?
Shiver me cheddar, Susan. I found my natural enemy. It's Patrick! He's pink, and I've heard that sea stars are also slimy!
Hail to Bidaba, Patrick lives under the sea. Calm down and help me with the coloring.
Okay. I'm watching you.
Hi, Mr. Krabs. Hi, SpongeBob. Let's throw an aqua party.
You're doomed, guys! You're not underwater anymore!
So maybe Slime Sam will save us?
Okay, fine. Susan, give me a pencil. Phew! Seagrass will change the atmosphere.
Let's head under the sea together, guys. We'll use the scissors and cut the seagrass out. What a view.
Hey, how did you... Susie, wait for me! My piece is a bit tricky.
Take your time. I'll just color my part of the seabed then. Let's start with a life buoy. Guys, check this out. Here's the name of SpongeBob's hometown, Bikini Bottom. I wonder if that means that we're living in a bikini top then. Welcome to Bikini Bottom.
We've moved under the sea, guys. Come with us.
Wait, something's appearing over there. Aha!
Shiver me chatters. They look exactly like in the series. But they also seem kind of flat.
It's okay. For these matters, I can take advice from my teacher.
Huh? Who are you talking about?
Great teacher, share your wisdom with me.
Come on, Susie. I'm not such a skillful artist. Here, draw orange lines to bring out the pineapple texture.
Got it. Orange stripes here and there. Well, what else?
Shush! Stay focused. That house is made of stone. I don't see any stone there.
Okay, then I'll add some texture and shadows to it.
Bad. Really bad. And shadows there too. What are you waiting for? Hurry up.
Then we'd better use some magic.
Now we're talking.
Oops, our paper city's so fragile. Just one small gust of wind could make it fall.
I'll deal with the houses and you deal with the construction.
I got the hardest part. Thanks, Sammy. Ouch.
The foam board should help. Don't think me.
Actually, it sounds great. Guys, we're gonna make a foam stand for these layers. First, we'll draw the outline for our stand. Let's get started. After we're finished, the next step comes cutting out the shape.
I'm done. Watch out, Susan. Take good care of your skilled hands.
Thanks, Sammy. Guys, you should be careful too. A scalpel is always really sharp.
Holy cannoli. It looks like a weirdly shaped mountain. Let's call it modern art and sell it at the art market.
I'm not sure it'll be a huge success, but the Lightbox is a big deal, and the first layer is glued to the foam stand.
Making a stand for seaweed is tricky, though. What do you think, Sue?
Yeah, but we should deal with it anyway. There we go. Then we'll glue the seaweed layer on the foam stand. And it's done. Check it out. It's awesome.
What about the Bikini Bottom citizens? They're a bit wobbly.
Easy peasy. We'll make stands for them too.
Careful, Susie. Slowly, please. Woohoo! You've done it! We have 2 more layers with other characters. Good luck.
Did you want to run away? Not this time. Come here.
Oh no! Slimes are always in charge. A little more. Voila!
Guys, it's all done. It's time to put all the pieces together.
And turn the lights on. By the way, where are we gonna put them?
On the seabed, of course. But first, let's work on this.
Do you like this background?
No. Ursula's going back to the mermaids.
You got me. Here, this is the last layer with corals. I couldn't resist.
Nice job, Sammy. It fits the environment perfectly. Guys, don't place the layers too close to one another. Here's more foam board. And now come the dancing lights.
Stretch the LED tape through the whole light box. Don't forget to glue it, too. Push, Susie. Push. A bit more. That's enough. Phew. What's next?
It's pretty simple. We'll just repeat all these steps till the end.
Shiver me chatters. We don't have the end. I mean, the backside of the box.
Oh no! What should we do then?
Don't worry, miss. I'm the slime artist, the superhero you need.
Thank you, Sammy. You truly are my hero. Guys, let's finish working with the layers we've already made. What do you think Sam will draw in the background?
Here's what I made. Are we under the sea for real?
A bit to the right. Now straighten out. Okay. A bit more. Now to the... Aha! Great.
Susie, are you done already? I can't hold this wall forever.
Just a second. Guys, if you have any trouble with the lights, ask an adult to help.
changed my mind. I don't want to live under the sea anymore.
But the aqua party in Bikini Bottom is a must-see event.
Yeah, that's true. Let's finish the craft and then we'll dance all night long.
Let's add glass walls to our craft. It'll be like a fish tank.
And don't forget about some paper decor.
The final battle has begun. Who's gonna win? SpongeBob SquarePants?
Or the greatest slime, Sam Roundpants? Jerry, make your choice.
Oops! The iconic SpongeBob is undefeated!
It's not my day. Huh? What does this mean?
That means that you're amazing just the way you are.
Guys, give a thumbs up then. I'll love it.
And don't forget to subscribe. See y'all!
Bye.